Hey guys, this is Huawei Mediapad 7 Youth and I am going to tear it down. We need to start from this screw which is hide inside SD card and SIM card cover. Now using this tool I am going to pop up this front part or panel out. I put all the tools link in the description, so please check out if you want to buy. This is old damaged tablet, so me nothing to worry about. If you doing any replacement yourself, then do it carefully at your own risk. Now lift carefully and using proper tools, remove the display and touch ribbon cables from motherboard. Removing this cable using hand is difficult and may become damaged, so please use proper tools to remove. Okay, this is front panel with the display. To remove the display from this panel is very easy. Just to remove the screws and the display will come out. To remove the battery you need to remove one screw and clip holder and then pop up the clip from motherboard. You can see that the battery has 5 wires. White is temperature and 2 black and 2 red is actually 1 black and 1 red wire. They used one more black and red for carrying more amps without much heating. Battery is sticked in the back panel and no pull tab, which is hard to separate, so battery removing is little difficult because if by chance the battery get any puncture, then there is risk of fire. You can see that this panel is came off, but I already done it before this video was starting. To remove this panel you need to heat it using heat gun to soften the glue and work all the edges using pop-up tools. By removing 4 screws from motherboard and from the plastic cover, then the motherboard and the cover will come off. Now I am disconnecting rear camera from motherboard. Here you can see vibrator. This plastic cover holds vibrator and speaker, and also it carries connection to it. Okay guys, this is the main board or motherboard of Huawei Mediapad 7 Youth. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.